Hello, this tutorial is to work with the random class. We are going to work with the classes in the character data type and the integer array data type. Let's begin with the characters. Let's create an iterative character like E that begins with A is minor equals to sit, and then iteration, and then let's create our class random. Random is a real random, new random class, and import the library of this random data type. The computer is going to request for the integer data type that is going to run through this I that begin with this character and finishes with and sit. This characters in the AC code has a number like 53, 80, 83, 164, 64, and so on. And then let's create this is equals to next integer like I for the computer to transform this into the AC code to print this iteration in EXE code, and then system dot out dot print the system begs for a string. Even if we print this E, let's see our numbers in a line. That is this random of characters in the ASCII code. Every time is different, and then for the system to print in some special character, let's call a string that has a format, string format, and then this string is the king of all data types, because you can transform every data type to the string: characters, arrays, integers. And then that is why Node.js is working with strings that automatically transform every data type to string, because this string is very useful, more than any other data type. And then let's give it the character format. This is the character format for this and the string, and then let's place this string now in this, and then as you can see, this is in a chain of characters in a random with this class, with that class. Random of this data type, but almost always in print space, empty spaces. Okay, and then let's work with another data type, like an integer array of integer that is equals to the new of this array with a length of 10. It's an example. Everything right here remains the same. This integer is equals to the random next array that is not compatible, but the only way to make it compatible is with the length. This length is the same as this. If we introduce an array of 0, of 1 or 2 and 3 and 4 and to the 9, and you give a value, you need to transform this into an iteration with the for or while, and then we do not need this string because we only want one number, that is at random. You want a chain of random numbers, you need to create an iteration with the for or while. Then this is all by now with these random data types, and let's see you in the next lesson with other class. If you need to create a special data type of random that iterates over characters, that is in the case of the AC code, to get MD5 with one key of about key ID like 5 ID, and MD5 with 32 chain of characters in random. That is what I'm going to show in some lessons before this lesson. This is the very basic of the characters with respect to characters and integers, and let's see you in that lesson. Just keep this, subscribe, and keep you watching my another videos that is going to be very interesting in this world of programming structure in Java. Thank you.